Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening Settings. Then you need to scroll down, choose System and Updates, Language and Input, and Microsoft Keyboard. Then click on Themes and select Custom. Then choose Start over here and tap on Add Image. Then select Allow in the pop-up and select one of your images by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with that one. Over here you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Background Darkness by swiping left or right, and click Done at the top right corner to save your changes. Over here you can click on the switchers next to key borders and symbols to enable or disable them. After that, just save. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!